Page 33, The Gift to be Simple. A really famous folk melody here. Let's look it over. It's 3 lines long with a repeat, so it's really 6 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature with a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 4. The first 3 beats then would be at the bottom. The last measure, you see 3 quarter notes. And we got quarter notes and eighth notes and whole notes and dotted half notes and half notes. We got them all here, huh? You're starting out left hand here, and the right hand is here. We're still in middle C position. So it's 4 and 1 and. 4 and 1, and then the right hand gets it. And then you get a G and a C in the left hand here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then lift up the left hand as you play these last eighth notes. There, and then you have an F and an A in the left hand, second line. Then lift up 1 and 2. I've got LH there, but we'll use LH here. Okay. 1 and. Last line, again, it's a G and a C to here. Lift up on the left hand. That we have here. You have an F and an A and a D, and then a G here, 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 and here. So you're playing different fingers here, so work those out. Then go back over it a few hundred times or whatever and get rid of the hesitations. Keep it slow is fine, but no hesitation. Think about the articulation. Well, we have phrases here. So lift up between the phrases, like taking a breath. You're just cutting that one note at the end of the phrase a little short, so you've got time to lift up. That's okay. The fermata at the end here, just hold out that as long as it feels right. When I do it with a metronome, I'll double the value. I'll hold it for 2 counts instead of 1, so I can stay with the metronome. Then the dynamics, when they go to the melody, keep that in mind. It's soft. Piano is soft. So that means this in the left hand has to be very soft. See, when the left hand gets melody, it's got to sound like one hand played all of the melody. And the last line, melody's in the right hand, so the left hand's going to be very soft. Very soft because the right hand is soft. Then I think about the speed. Andante moderato. Well, this is interesting. They keep mixing the speeds up. Moderato's in the middle. Andante's kind of a leisure side of that. So it's the leisure side of the middle. It's the overall feel of it. See, the eighth notes are going to slow it down a little bit. There are words to this. They're not in this particular arrangement. There are words to it. You can sing to it, and there would be a word or a syllable goes with each of these eighth notes. So you can't go too fast. You got to keep it down, but don't go too slow because then it just drags. Ugh. Now there is a note at the last line there, second time retardando, which means after you've repeated it and you're going down again, those last 2 measures, you slow down. Yeah, slow down. Doesn't say how much to slow down, you feel it. And the fermata, you're hanging on to that too. But only the second time. Don't slow down the first time. You keep it going. When you get into it and you start feeling the music, you're going to want to put a little crescendo in there, get a little louder as you feel it or whatever. That's okay. Stay on the soft, gentle side. Okay, this is not a party piece. This is a nice, gentle piece. And remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So at the beginning, it should sound like a pickup beat. To here. To 1, 2. I exaggerate them so you can hear them better. You feel them. You don't force them. You feel them, but it's important that you feel it. So the listener knows that beginning is a pickup. Otherwise, they're going to think that's beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And they're going to have a, what? This doesn't sound right. So it needs to sound like to here when you do that. Let's play this together very slowly and check all the notes and rhythms. We'll do the repeat. I'll hold the fermata note 2 counts instead of 1. I'm not going to do any dynamics. We're just playing notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1 and ready and go and 4 and 1 and 2. Repeat.